So, it's a very beautiful place. Very beautiful. But, auntie, them Jamaican crickets, they need to shut up. Sounded like a smoke alarm going off. Jamaican crickets. Ain't nobody got time for that.